Sorry about the bad lighting. I don't have my studio lights and it's really not sunny here like it is in Arizona. So the lighting is terrible. So I apologize for that. And also, this is warning you, if you continue watching this video, I will be speaking in English and Spanish, and I tend to have this funny English accent because I'm mimicking my family. So I apologize for that. As my brother says, he cringes when he hears me speak like that. And then I was like, whatever. And then I watched my first video and I was like, oh, I was cringing a little bit. But hey, I'm having fun and that's all that matters. So that is a warning for you guys, and that is not to take offense to anybody. A store, organic store in Spain. This is my brother. Say hello. He says hello in his mind. See, I don't talk like that.
Yeah.
I do not. They have chlorophyll. In Spain, they eat a lot of the prawns. Langostino cocido. The porcocinos. There's my mommy with a lot of chocolate. Spanish candy?
Oh, con baño de chocolate. ¿Has probado esas, Lisa?
Sí.
Almerandas.
Los nevaditos también
She
ricos.
got Oreo flavor.
Yo me voy a llevar uno de estos.
Look, she's
Espera,
taking
señale
everything.
que está tu hija.
Look, she's very professional. We have Torrejon de chocolate,
Oreos,
Oreos,
almendras,
almendras, famous
nevaditos.
candy in Spain.
Y este es el mejor.
Das de
This is the
pez.
best.
Das de pez. Yo creo que me voy a llevar dos de
Why
esos.
is
¿No
that
te
the
molestas?
best?
Porque
No.
no, es que
Yo quiero coger... Bueno, ya cogí.
This is the supermarket of Spain.
Así me lo quito.
That is my aunt,
Una variedad de...
my tia Lisa. Look at all these candy. I'm here. Aww. Here I am. There's my mother. Oi. Welcome to Spain. Now we are, hello. We're here at the bread store, comprando pan. Look.
Hola. Hola. Una palmera de chocolate.
Oh, bread de chocolate. Okay. The bread is very fresh here. Very fresh. They make all the bread fresh. Right, Mother?
yeah,
My aunt.
todo fresco.
It's nice and warm, fresh. Oh, we got to stop. The car is going to kill me. You're in my video, Devin. This is the King's Day, la Dia de Reyes. These are the cakes. This is my favorite. There's the bread. It's delicious. Fruit, the store for the fruit. The bank, the baglia. I am with my brother, who's very mean to me.
Suck.
I suck. Ew. There's my cousin Laura, Aitana, Christian.
Jet
What?
Mel Steel Fuel.
Oh, she's very shy. Welcome to YouTube. These are my cousins and my.
Today, a new video for Yesenia.
That is why I talk like this, because they talk like that. The reaction of Adrian. He's kind of part of a channel. Go check him out. Where's it on?
At the tween.
The
Go
tween.
watch.
Go check the tween.
If you like memes, go.
If you like memes. Here's the dog, Maggie. Where'd she go? She looks like my mom. Do you think Laura looks like mom? Like her face, her teeth.
Not really.
There is Maggie. Stop picking your nose.
Vale, espera.
Puedes mirar a los lados, no solo recta.
Ya, pero vea. Es que como que no sé cómo enfocarlo.
¿Qué estás viendo ahora?
Pues un planeta aquí. O sea, a ver, aquí no, ¿sabes?
Pero ¿ves borroso o ves bien?
Me parto.
¿Te vas a marear si estás moviéndote?
No, pero no me marea.
Lo quiere ver.
Aquí me está saliendo ahora mismo gente muy rara.
My cousin is driving me, and my uncle is in the back. This is reversed. Very weird. No, where are we going?
Mira abajo, abajo.
I see it.
Que viene lo...
A mí nunca me molestó.
Hay una estrella en tu interior, yo sé que no la puedes ver. Me diste todo el corazón, al final todo salió mal. El corazón, tu amor era verdad, la realidad puede pesar dentro de ti. Te quiero, no dejes de soñar.
No, no, no. No, no, no repasa el juguetín, no. Que se rompe. Ay, que se rompe.
My aunt is going to do my nails. She knows how to do the nails. She's gonna do French. Right, tío? ¿Qué? ¿Qué? He's watching TV. There's Nala. There she comes. My aunt, Tío Rosa, my aunt Rosa, just put on nails on me. It's very nice. Very nice. And now I'm going to make dinner. Oh, my cousin Laura is home. Hello. And my tia. We're going to cook.
¿Has dejado ya, no? Sí.
Huh?
Es de Laura, ¿no?
La camisa, sí. Dinner. To lunch. Laura, turn around. Oh, wait. Hold on.
Venga, corre, échame, que lo suba la pedra. Venga.
Hello, Hello. Hi.
Vamos, venga, vamos.
Here's my primo.
Come on.
This is Spain. We're going to lunch. We are going to lunch with the whole family. With the whole family. My cousin is laughing at me. What are you laughing at? I like your scarf. You look very nice. You look very professional.
Okay.
Here we go, the whole family.
Oh, beautiful day.
Yesterday I did my nails. Alejandro, say hello. Yesterday my aunt did my nails. I already said it yesterday. Hello. We are going to eat the whole family. Right? It's my cousin. Hello. Family is here. Say hello. Tío. Aitana. The whole family.
Es para YouTube.
Hello. Hey. He's very bad. My brother. The whole family. It's a video. Say hello. Hello. What is that face? What's that face? I make my brother cringe. I make my brother cringe. We are all here.
Sí, Adaganzo.
Everybody's here. My brother thinks I'm fake.
Anoche estaba así.
It's cringing when I talk. I love the crowd. He loves it. Hola.
Subscribe to the tweet.
Subscribe to the tweet. No. Say hello, mommy. They have a vegetarian burger here. Hamburguesa vegetal. Contiene leche.
¿Qué?
Oh, it has,
Y una hamburguesa de
it has
queso.
milk.
Vale, ya. Ahora las bebidas.
Salud.
Cuidado que se rompen, ¿eh?
Está más grande, ¿no?
Jilgueros con J, ¿no?
Mis primos. This is my vegetarian burger. We have some fries.
Pero, Eli,
All the food. Woohoo! The games. Now we're going to bowl the Spanish style. See, it's easy. Again. That was good. Very nice. Woo! Toma! ¿Qué cara? Peralitos. Oh, very nice. My family is crazy. Very crazy. We're going to see my cousin. Hello. My cousin Laura is going to do my makeup. Let's see the transformation. Prima did my makeup. Look at my beautiful eyes. Looks very nice.
Mira mi palmera de chocolate.
No, Nala.
It's not for you. Chocolate is not buen para ti. Look at all this mi tío has brought us. Oh my goodness.
Found